Here's a certified 2016 Chevrolet Equinox. Designed to handle life's journeys and all the equipment it requires. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, driver memory seats, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.